This is the question number 12 of GATE 2014 Metallurgical Engineering. The question states that which one of the following refers to the ability of a material to absorb energy when deformed elastically? Option A, toughness. Option B, fracture toughness. Option C, resilience. And option D, hardness. Now let us see what are these four different parameters are: toughness, fracture toughness, resilience, and hardness. So toughness is basically the ability of a material to absorb energy when it is deforming plastically and before fracture. Now if this is a stress strain curve, so let's say this part, up to this part it is deforming elastically and then it is deforming plastically till it fractures. So now according to the definition, the toughness is basically the ability of the material to absorb energy when it is deforming plastically. Now that means the toughness is nothing but the area under this curve up to before fracture. So this is the toughness. And fracture toughness, option B is fracture toughness. Fracture toughness is the critical stress intensity factor of a sharp crack where propagation of the crack suddenly become rapid and unlimited. And the fracture toughness KIC is given as Y into sigma root over of pi and AC. AC is the crack length, Y is the geometry factor, and sigma is the stress, applied stress, and AC is the crack length. Now option C is resilience. What is resilience? Resilience is the ability of a material to absorb energy when it is deforming elastically, and this absorbed energy get dissipated when the sample is unloaded. So now again let us draw the stress strain curve, is sigma epsilon. So let's say up to this part there's some material is deforming elastically and then it is going in the plastic region and then finally it is getting fractured. So now the resilience is the absorbed energy when the material deform elastically. So let's say up to this part it is deformed elastically, so the resilience will be area under this elastic part only. So this is the resilience. And the last option, that is hardness. Hardness is resistance of a material against the localized plastic deformation induced either by mechanical indentation or abrasion. So hardness are the different types depending on the type of indentation and depending on the mode of deformation we are applying. So it is the Brinell hardness, Vickers hardness, Rockwell, etc. So our question was, which of the following refers the ability of a material to absorb energy when it is deformed elastically? So correct answer is option C, that is the resilience. Resilience is the ability of a material to absorb energy when it deforms elastically. So that means the area under this curve is resilience.